So welcome to Pressure Crisp. My name is Lisa. Today we're going to be working with tofu. Yes, I have some vegan friends, and when I go meet up with them and go camping and hiking and stuff like that, I like to try to make some vegetarian food for them. I'm not a vegetarian. I mean, some days I eat vegetarian. I don't eat any meat for that day, but I'm not a vegetarian. This is a 1 pound block, I guess you want to call it, of tofu. I have some cornstarch, not cornstarch, excuse me. This is sweet potato, like potato starch. You can use cornstarch, potato starch, rice flour, regular flour, whatever you want to use. I find these are very light, so I prefer those. Also, you're going to need your chorizo seasoning. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Chorizo. So we're going to cut the tofu first, put it off to the side. And I didn't go crazy about making sure all the moisture was out, because the air fryer actually removes moisture from the tofu. I cut it into almost like sticks, like that. I call them like fish sticks. All right, so that's all we're going to do for now. Put that off to the side. All right, so next up, we're going to take some of that potato starch, cornstarch, flour, whatever you want to use. It's all depends upon you. I usually just eyeball it. That's probably like a half a cup. No, not even a half a cup. Yeah, maybe. That's probably like a quarter to a half a cup of this potato starch. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, this can be purchased at Sprouts, or this can be purchased on Amazon. Somebody told me that on somebody left a comment and said it can be purchased on Amazon. I haven't looked. If I look and find a thing, oh, this smells so good. I will leave a link in the description. Hey, just, if you guys buy something, just help support the channel, and it's really, really appreciated. Okay, so what I do is I go by color. I'm gonna go because I want mine a little bit more spicy. There we go. So I probably used half to 3/4 of that pack. So I try to use half a pack, and then so I can use one package for like 2 pounds of tofu. So it's very economical. You're gonna take the tofu because it's moist. What I like to do, just roll it right in here. You guys see that? Just roll it right into the cornstarch and seasoning, and just place it on a plate or platter, whatever you have. And I just go back and give them a second coating. You don't have to do this. Whoa! But I do. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to leave it over here and do this really quickly. Taking avocado oil, I'm just going to spray these down. I try to flip them over. All right. See, I don't think I can get a whole pound in here. I think I have to cook this in 2 batches because you want some space around these. To put in, I'd probably put one more in, but I'm not, because I have 4 more pieces left. Let's go ahead and close the lid. What I'm going to do is turn the Ninja Foodi Smart Lid on. Actually, it landed right on air fry, which is perfect. I'm going to keep it on 390. I'm going to keep it on the 20 minutes, even though it doesn't take that long. And we're going to hit start. So it's been about 6 minutes they've been cooking. And oh my God, look at them. All right, they're going to cook much longer. I was going to turn them, but I'm not going to because they're so fragile. So we're going to go ahead and close the lid and let them continue to cook. Okay, so that went way too long. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm checking them again. Oh, they're getting there. I think they usually cook for like 12 minutes. But these are looking fantastic. Yes. So we're going to let them go 2 more minutes because we want to make sure the inside's nice and warm and the outside is like super crispy. So it's been exactly 12 minutes for this. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. I'm not going to do anything fancy dancy with these. I do have some old footage of me dressing these up to make tacos. So they're basically like tofu tacos. My friends will heat these up and just eat them plain, like as a snack. Like if we have any leftover, they were here a couple times, so I've made them numerous times. Never did a video, but I said I should probably do a video on this. So when they come over, they'll actually just eat them as like a stick. But they're like kind of crunchy. Can you hear that? Oh wait, where's my microphone? But they maintain their moisture inside. So let's taste test these. Whew, hot. So, see, tofu just doesn't bring a smile to my face. I'm not gonna lie. But look, it maintains its moist inside. And that's what I'm looking for. They need, it's just, tofu's kind of like chicken breast to me. It picks up whatever flavor you give it. Now I am going to work more on these recipes, but this is like super good. But I also want to marinate it to see if it actually like penetrates the tofu, I guess you want to say. So I don't know. Stay tuned for more vegan vittles. That we're going to call this segment vegan vittles. But stay tuned for more of that. I do need to work on some new recipes. So thanks everybody for watching. Also, stay tuned for regular recipes too. Take care, everybody.